Hey, it's Kate with WTI. The perfect thing to go along with the perfect cup of coffee is this set of coffee mugs.
These beautiful mugs are by Pfaltzgraff and they are stoneware and just so pretty. I love the blue inside the mug that matches the blue detail on the outside and the little ridges and the design on the outside of the mug. I just think it's so pretty. It's really unique. But then, of course, as an actual mug, it does an amazing job. It's got a 12-ounce capacity, so I find that that is a really good size personally for a coffee mug. And it's just so pretty and nice and sturdy, really well crafted. And I just love that it comes in a set because I think that this is just perfect to have matching coffee mugs. It looks really beautiful if you want to serve company, some coffee or tea. And I just think that they're so lovely.
I think you're going to love this set of mugs as well, whether you're a coffee drinker or a tea drinker. They're so pretty and such an amazing quality, but that's just my point of view.